In this video, I'll show you how to insert paper, how to load paper in your Epson Workforce WF-2930. So the paper input tray on this printer is located actually on the back. So if we put the printer like this, you're going to notice that you can pull this plastic part and you can lay it on its side this way. And then there's some plastic blue guides inside. Simply need to pull them on each side. This way the paper will be able to glide in. So take your stack of paper at this point and simply glide it between those two blue guides. And this is about it. You don't need to push it more. Okay, it will stay like so. And now from the front, you can extend the paper output because this is where all the printed results will go, right over here. The paper tray on the top over here, this is for the scanner of this printer. It has nothing to do with printing. But overall, this is it. You may get a message on the display once you input paper in your printer, simply to confirm which size it is. So over here, it says previous settings was letter plain type paper. If it's still the same as before, you simply have to press confirm. If you have input a new type of paper or a new size, you need to click change, press OK, and now you'll be able to go left and right and select the size and the type of paper. Press OK, and it has been confirmed. I'll put links in the description if you want to get some paper from Amazon. They usually have really good prices, so check the links in the description. Leave a like, but also comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.